Hello there, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download the MLB app on a Fire TV. Now let's get straight to the tutorial. And to do that, take your Fire TV, start it up, and go to the top tab where you have Find. So on this Find icon, go down one step, take to the search. And now that you're on search, I need to type in MLB. That's the app for this tutorial. So when you type in MLB, you can find the app right here. So click on MLB TV and here's the app. Now with this app, just click on it and you have access to the download button. The download button appears and you click OK to begin the download. The download will run for a couple of seconds, maybe a minute, depending on your internet speed. But when it is complete, you have an automatic installation process and you just be patient, relax, and wait for that process to complete. The app is going to download straight into your app library and you install straight into your app library automatically. Now all you need to do is hit the OK button at the end of the installation on Open App to open the app and launch it immediately. Alternatively, you could exit and search for the app on the app library anytime. Click on it to launch it and enjoy this application. So if you enjoyed this app, if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for content just like this.